Are you tired of the default WhatsApp notification sound on your iPhone and you want to change it but don't know how? Well, you came to the right place because I'll show you how you can easily change your default WhatsApp notification sound on iPhone, so just follow my steps. The first thing that we want to do is to open the App Store on our iPhone and just make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp application installed on your device. If you see this Update button, then tap on that, and then wait a couple of seconds until the WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version, and you will be sure that you have all of the latest features and functions, including the ability to change the notification sound. Once this is updated, you want to open the app and click on the Settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you get to the Settings page, select the Notifications option, and that's going to get you to this next page where we can see the Message Notifications section and the Group Notifications as well. You're going to see the Sounds option in both sections. And if you want to change the notification sounds for individual messages, then you want to click on the Sounds option at the top, and you will have a couple of different sounds from which you can choose from. You can select the default note sound, Aurora, circles, pulse, and many more. When you select a sound which you want to hear when you get a message on WhatsApp, just tap on the Save option at the top right corner of the screen in order to save your changes. And just repeat the steps for the group message notifications. But that's essentially it, everyone. That is how you can easily change the notification sounds on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you need more similar WhatsApp tutorial videos like this one, then make sure you check out the playlist from the description of this video, and I will see you in the next one.